Hello dear students, today I am going to explain you some important definition of chapter Fundamental Concepts of Geometry. Our first definition is of open and closed figure. Open figures, the figures which have different initial and end points are called open figures. Initial means starting points. Here they represent that the initial point is different and the end point is different. The figure has initial and end points are different, so it is called as a open figure. Second is closed figure, the figure in which initial and end points coincide, that means meet with each other, are called closed figures. That means if the initial and ending point both are meet with each other, then a closed figure will be formed. This is the initial point or the starting point of a figure, and when I draw this figure like this and its ending point is also meet with its starting point, then it will become a closed figure. Next is very important, interior and exterior of closed figure. The part or the region which is inside the boundary, it is called the interior of the curve, and the points which lying at in the inside like A, B, C, these are called the interior points of the circle. A, B and F, these are the interior point of the circle, and the region which is at the outside of the boundary, it is called the exterior of the curve. And the point which lying at the outside, they are called as the exterior points of the circle, like E and D. These are the exterior points of the circle. And the points which lying on the boundary, C, X and Z. C, X and Z. These are the lying on the boundary of the circle. Boundary means a line that separates the interior and exterior part of the curve. It is called as the boundary, and points C, X and Z lie on the boundary. Clear? Next is perpendicular lines. Two lines that intersect and form right angle are called perpendicular lines. It means that like two lines, this and this two lines intersect each other, that means cut each other, and they form angle of 90 degree, that is right angle, so we will call them perpendicular lines. And the symbol of this is represent perpendicular lines, and in this figure L is perpendicular to line M. L is perpendicular to line M. Why? Because it makes an angle of 90 degree with it. Similarly, line N and line O is also perpendicular with line L. Clear? Next is perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector is a line that divides a line segment into two equal parts. Perpendicular bisector means a line which divide the another line segment into two equal parts. It also make a right angle with the line segment. Clear? Here they represent the line PQ is perpendicular to AB at O. PQ line is perpendicular to AB and they intersect at point O. That is, PQ passes through the midpoint of the O. PQ is passes through the midpoint O of the line segment AB. And we know that the perpendicular bisector is a line that divides a line segment into two equal parts and make right angle with the line segment. It make right angle, that means angle of 90 degree with the line segment AB. Clear? So revise these definitions. Thank you.